Hi, this is Dawn with Carson City Cash Home Buyers over at WeBuyCarson.com. And a lot of people aren't sure what they should do when they have a property that needs a lot of fix-up, a lot of repair, a lot of upgrading. This article from the Wall Street Journal that was just published yesterday, which was June 27th, 2023, is entitled, "Nobody Wants to Buy a Fixer-Upper Right Now," meaning a lot of homeowners that will use it as their primary residence. They simply are not wanting to buy major renovation products. They want more of a turnkey property. And so those properties that need a lot of fix up are, in extreme cases, they're not getting any offers at all. But in general, it seems like this article is suggesting that they're getting about half the offers that they used to be getting just a few months ago. So, whereas the properties that are turnkey, ready to move in, they're still going for a high price, and within a month you should be under contract if you're priced appropriately. So back to, if you have a property that needs a lot of work, you will definitely be rewarded if you take the time and the money to fix up your own property and then list it with an agent on the MLS. That would be your way to probably get the highest possible price. If you don't have the time or the money or the inclination to want to do the repairs yourself, you should probably seriously just give us a call and see if we might be a better fit, because you get a sure thing. You know what you're gonna get. You know when you're gonna get it. If you list a fixer-upper on the MLS or on Zillow for sale by owner, you could be sitting there a while. And once you're sitting out there stale and your listing goes stale, it's not really a good thing. So anyway, if you don't want to do the rehab yourself, we've got a contractor on our team, so we're all set up for this. So anyway, we'd love to chat with you if you just want to see what the numbers would look like. And you can find us over at WeBuyCarson.com, or you can call us at 775-297-8309. Again, I think that's right. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.